Before we can start using Git, we need to install it in this quick guide. I will walk you through installing Git on Windows. I will provide you a PPT for Mac OS and Linux. As I don't have multiple systems, I'll be not able to do it, but we will do it detailed on the Windows machine. So installing on Windows, I have created this PPT which I'll be adding as a resource on this one. So here all the links and everything is available. But without any delay, what we can quickly do, I'll be opening the browser, we'll be downloading the Git. So for that one, basically we can go ahead Git SM, just I'll search, you will get on the first link itself. So here I'll go for this particular new release. I'll download for Windows. Okay, so I'm using 64 version with Windows setup. So I have started downloading. So downloading has been completed. I will start installing this. So this is the installation setup which is executing. I'll click on next. So once it's extracting the files, we will do quick few configurations. Yeah, finally extraction has been completed. So I'll select, I'm not interested about as of now the release notes. But yes, if you'd like to do more study on that, please go ahead with the view release note. But learn Git bash is it's fine. You'll be seeing this screen. So here I will say Git version, which is providing me the which version I have installed. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Git on your system. In the next video, we will cover how to set up your first Git repository and start tracking changes. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss it.